Hello, my name is VaneGisselle and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing rolled tacos with shredded beef and empanadas with ground beef, all cooked inside an air fryer. I just purchased this air fryer last week, so let's see how this works out. I have a previous video where I showed you step by step how to make tortillas and Mexican rice. So go to that video to see how to make homemade corn tortillas. First, I will start with the fries. Brush it onto the food. Place inside of the air fryer. Your fries will be ready in about 5 minutes. Crispy and delicious. Let's give it a try. Look at how crispy this fry is. The tortilla has a rough side and smooth side. Make sure the smooth side is facing up. Put your protein in the corner of your tortilla. When you start rolling your taco, make sure that you press it tightly together. Grab a toothpick and insert it to make sure that it doesn't open. Before placing in your air fryer, smear oil. You will do the same as with the fries. Make sure that you preheat your air fryer and place gently. Now I finished making my rolled tacos. They look crispy and delicious. Look at this right here. I already took the toothpick off and it's so crispy. So I'm gonna take the first bite. To eat the perfect rolled taco, you need your avocado, guacamole, and salsa. If you'd like me to do a video on how to make salsa, I'll do one. Just comment down below. You're gonna put your guacamole on top, like so. Then you're going to smear salsa on the top. Like this. And now to take the first bite. Wow, they taste just like if you fried them in a pan with a bunch of oil, but this tastes so much lighter and equally as delicious. Highly recommend. Now it's time to show you how to make empanadas with ground beef. To make the empanadas, I will be using the same masa. Okay, the first step is to make it as if you're making a tortilla. You're going to use the press. Now, instead of putting it in the comal, you're not going to heat it up. You're just going to go straight to the plate. You're going to remove it as always. Now you're going to place it here. You're going to get your ground beef with tomato sauce and put it in the center of the masa. Then you're going to fold it. Now you're gonna fold the edges inwards. Now you're going to place it in the air fryer. Put it inside and now let it cook. I have my empanadas ready, it's time to take a bite. Just look at that. Comment down below any other videos you would like to see. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family on your social media. Also, subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. See you back next week.